What's up guys, welcome to another video of the Techie Swifty. In this video I will show you the trick by which you can make the fingerprint sensor of your Samsung Galaxy A72 faster. I already gave a full review on the Galaxy A72 and discussed the question that should you buy this device or not. If you want to watch that video, link will be available in the iCard or in the description of this video. Now let's start the video. So for this trick, first of all go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down and then go to the biometrics and security option and then go to the fingerprints. Type your password here to get into the fingerprint settings, and then second last option you will see is show animation when unlocking. Just turn it off and then go back, and then under the fingerprints go to the more biometric settings and there disable the show unlock transition effect, and after that go back to the main settings page and scroll down and go to the apps. Here go to the options and then go to the special access and then go to the optimize battery usage, and now select the all apps here. After that search for an app, type here biometrics and just turn it off also. So this was the trick by which you can make the fingerprint sensor of your Samsung Galaxy A72 faster. If you found this video helpful, then please like the video and subscribe this channel. Till the next video, I'm signing off.